Okay guys, welcome to the Red Bucket, and today we have the BoAt Stone 230, the latest speaker from BoAt, and we are going to do the water test. So I'm going to play music at 100% volume and then try submerge it completely and then only do the days and sprinkles of water and see how it goes. Now this speaker is rated waterproof, so let's see how it goes. So yeah, it does actually float in water, so it's not going to like sunk in. It will just keep floating, so that's a good thing. Let's see how the music goes. So it's doing pretty good for now. Now let's try and submerge it for a longer time and see how it goes. I hope it doesn't break down because I'm yet to shoot the review and sound tests. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't for watching those videos. Yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so that was all about the waterproof test. So tomorrow there will be a sound test video of the speaker. So just subscribe to the channel if you haven't, so you get a notification when the video is uploaded. And if you haven't watched the unboxing video, you can watch it right now. And that's it. Bye.